Hi there. It's back to the monthly exploration of the Vancouver restaurants, and I'm Ricardo. And tonight we are at the Italian kitchen downtown Vancouver, and with my friend here, Lulu. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna try this restaurant and tell you what we think. So this restaurant here is by chance. I met someone who worked for this restaurant, and then we talked, and she kind of recommended me some good dishes here, and it's pretty interesting. So yeah, you'll see. Stay tuned. Right. So our dishes are coming up here.
Right, here is your caprese salad. We have fresh Italian tomatoes here and your mozzarella dipped with a balsamic and truck. And I also have your little treat on the house for you.
Wow.
This is our mushroom fontina arancini.
Okay.
Risotto balls with a nice, lovely fontina cheese inside.
What's different between the fontina and the regular cheese?
Just different kinds of cheese.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
It's
this
better,
one's
right?
mozzarella.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Yes.
then we all know about it. Yeah, looks really good. Okay, thank you so much. And also, this bread is called focaccia. They say it's house made and very fresh. Hey, Lulu, what do you think about the salad?
Pretty good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Only good? So I have tasty salad. Apparently my thought is like it's a pretty good salad, and the special thing is the cheese itself. It's a mozzarella, and the cheese itself is actually very watery, kind of like spongy. So you poke on it, I think there will be like some water inside. The texture is really good. And unfortunately, because I ate it and I don't want to show you what it is, yeah, so that's what my thought about the salad. Lulu told me she really liked this one, and she's gonna try right now. Yeah, so I tried a little ball thingy. That thing is actually really good. Outside is crispy, and inside I can taste some vinegar. What's inside is actually some potatoes. And white cream, a little bit sour. Like I said, it's like kind of like onion cream with vinegar, but they cook it really well, and the seasoning and the warmth. The cooking is really good. Alright, so this is the Italian kitchen itself, and located actually downtown on Burrard Street. Let me show you the street view here. It's directly across from the Southern Place Hotel. The parking wise, actually, Vancouver parking is actually pretty blessed. Tonight actually is Canucks, the local hockey team is playing. So like they're more on the east side, but right now they're pretty much finished. But this side they kind of like left it kind of open. But the parking wise, it's not bad. On the street side is already lots of parking, and then you find one. The ticket is actually not expensive. I think I put like $1 something. It's already good for more than 1 hour. I think about $1 an hour. I'm just gonna walk around, look at the views. The music is very Italian here. I like the music. That's the main dining hall, and Lulu there. You can see, but the decoration is really nice. That one is like a dining hall there. I think you have to book it. Here's more space here. So that's our main dishes. Look at that.
Yes, here's one.
Yeah.
You have your seafood linguine with some mussels and prawns.
Okay.
Seafood ravioli.
Yeah.
Beautiful spaghetti meatballs with a decadent truffle parmesan cream sauce on top.
Oh, so that's the truffle, right? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Looks really good. Yeah. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. Alright then. So we're gonna try this right now. So to sum up what we just ate, this Italian kitchen we use lots of materials. cannot really identify which ones. I suppose those seasoning and maybe the pasta, like those longer lasting material, they will import it. But the seafood and stuff, I think is very fresh. So I would say those are local, but overall it's pretty good because the price of it is very fair and the portion is actually really huge. There was one of the garlic bread I wouldn't show, but that one I think I'm just too full to finish it.